Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. Welcome to Fun Tech, when I show people on how to fix this and how to fix that on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on any social media platform, on websites, on anything, on how to fix an error on something. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check maybe if your TikTok account has been shadow banned, and how to see if your TikTok account is in good condition. Maybe it follow TikTok community guideline. So just stay with me as I'm going to show you the method that you can use to check maybe your TikTok is shadow banned or is active on TikTok. So the first step is to, if you have a TikTok account, you can log in, and if you're already logged in, just click on your TikTok app. You can see.
Don't try this filter if you are bleaching.
You are going to click on
Don't try this filter if you are.
You can see this is my profile. You can follow me on TikTok and see. You can see. Then what next is that you can see my profile here. When I click on it, you are going to click on your profile here. After clicking on that and it brought you to this page, you are going to click the menu at the top here. Then you are going to settings and privacy. You can see this account. You are going to scroll down. Okay, you are going to click on support. You can see it when it's brought you to this page here. You are just going to scroll down and click on support, then help center. You can see help center. We have safety center, we have private center. You are not going to help center or private, you are going to safety center. You can see the one at the middle. You are just going to click on that. You can see. Then we are going forward to check our, maybe you can see account status. Can see account status. Then you are just going to click on this. Can see when it's brought you to this page, you are just going to already your account is in good standing. Thank you for following our community guideline and helping us keep TikTok safe. So by this, your account is not shadow banned, your account is active. There's no limit placed on your TikTok account, and I hope if that sound great to if this content sound great to you, I hope can give me a subscribe and like to this video. So this is the video about how you can check maybe your account is shadow banned or is in good condition on TikTok. So I will see you in my next video. I'm Samuel Awoyemi, Fun Tech.